Hi, I'm Laurie and this is Réli and we are the Stylemakers and we are here today in the room that we've designed for the Ideal Home Show with Tash from Lick.
So we've created this beautiful Speakeasy Lounge for which we've used the gorgeous Purple 03 and we've color drenched the room. So for those who don't know, color drenching is the hot trend where we are not now painting just the walls, but also dado rails, skirting boards, all the woodwork, everything we can find. Now, Tash, could you tell us why people should embrace that trend?
I sure can. So, colour drenching is a huge trend at the moment because what these guys have demonstrated so beautifully is by taking one colour on everything, it means you can go for a slightly stronger colour. So Purple 03 is actually it's one of our heaviest weight tones that we have at Lick. And it just literally comes to life when it's completely taken onto everything. Also, where it's really clever is by taking one colour on your skirting, your woodwork, your walls, your ceiling, what it does is it creates that more calming, relaxing atmosphere. There's less contrast to distract the eye. So honestly, I can't encourage you guys enough. Colour drench your rooms.
Now, Tash, I think a lot of people are quite daunted by dark and bold colours.
Yeah.
What would your advice be to somebody maybe deliberating about using a darker colour but isn't sure where to start?
Do you know what, guys? That's such a lovely question. I think what's so wonderful about design at the moment is we're all moving away from the grey, which I'm so here for. And people are being bolder with their colour choices, embracing colour. I think also, especially my clients as well, and looking at this show, the color that I'm seeing, people are realizing the power that it can have on your emotions, how you feel within a space. If you are a little bit nervous, where I'm going to say you should start is find that color that you really connect with, find that tone. And if it is a stronger color like this purple, start somewhere small. Your hallway is a great place to go dark. You don't spend loads of time in your hall. So you just pass through. So it's a great place to embrace it, go a bit stronger, and then go more neutral in the living room or your bedroom. Downstairs bathrooms or downstairs bathroom or a utility room. Oh, trust me, go darker in those spaces, go for an eggshell finish, have a bit more sheen. So yeah, test it in smaller areas in your house and then gain confidence and then bring it out into more rooms.
That Purple 03 color, obviously it's quite an unusual in-between sort of color, purpley, burgundy. How tricky was it to develop?
So this color we actually did as a collaboration with Soho House. And when I was developing this color, it actually took 3 months to make because what you're seeing here, it's got 8 different pigments in it. So it gives it that lovely, velvety, richness. And when you have a strong purple like this, you've got to get the balance right for it not feeling too cold, which we were saying, weren't we? It's got that lovely warmth, red undertone that is perfect for if you are color drenching and it is a north facing dark room, this will warm it up. It feels
cover it.
Oh, look, it makes it all warm and cozy and then with lighting. So yeah, it took 3 months to make, but I honestly you can see here, it's gorgeous and it's such a lovely tone.
So Tash, what has Lick got coming up this year? Is there anything we should be looking out for spring, summer 25?
We've got a couple of, annoyingly, we got amazing collabs. So we basically do one interiors focused collab a year and then one more lifestyle. So we did one with Matte Makeup, with Heinz, Soho House. So we're lining up, and I annoyingly can't say, but they're really cool. And just stay tuned. They're coming out in summer. But I'm launching my book, which is coming out in April. It's called Master the Art of Color. Plug. Maybe buy my book, please buy my book. And it's all about how to bring color into your homes and how to create your dream home. So that's coming out in in a few weeks. Yay!
Thank you so much, Tash. It's been lovely speaking to you. And guys, if you haven't already checked out some of the colours from Lick, then you absolutely should. And do follow us at Stylemakers TV.
Hey guys, so I'm Réli and this is Laurie. We're the Stylemakers. We've created the secret room in the show house, which is like a really gorgeous speakeasy lounge. And we're going to take you on a tour of the beautiful room we've designed.
So a speakeasy is all about entertainment, and we couldn't resist coming up with something a little bit different for this room. So we've designed a little mini stage where you can do some karaoke, complete with some gorgeous velvet curtains. And we've got some wallpaper back here from wood chip and magnolia, which I think just brings this area to life. It's really a fun, interactive space where you can have good fun singing, talking, whatever you want to with your friends and family.
So this is our super fun dance floor area, complete with your selfie wall, provided by also fancy neon signs, where it's angel wings and devil horns. And we got this amazing checkboard dance floor from Leo Line, which we're in love with. Perfect for a bit of a boogie. Are you going to come party with us to Funky Town, guys?
And no speakeasy would be complete without a seating area to sit and enjoy your drinks. So over here we have this gorgeous table from John Lewis, and we've surrounded it with prints from Oh My Sass. I just absolutely love this corner. There's lots of velvet, there's lots of tassels and fringing and sequins and colour. And it's just a space to really sit back and enjoy.
So the focal point for the room is this heavenly piece from Cold Harbor Light, a custom-made feather chandelier complete with gold chains. This has been made bespoke for us. We're able to choose colors of all the feathers, and it comes with a little filament bulb to make it all the more atmospheric. Bring on the cabaret, baby!
So here we have a multifunctional bar and DJ booth. You can literally come behind here, make your cocktails. We have a sink by Blanco, and we have behind here done a little something clever. So beveled antique looking tiles are quite expensive. We've got some from IKEA, and we've used some frosting spray and some gold spray to kind of give them that vintage look. And then we've used some lovely brassware from Yesterhome for the shelves, and it really gives it that opulent finish.
And also for the bar, we've got Dunelm, who have provided these gorgeous wall lights divided into brass, gold and glass, as well as these heavenly mulberry velvet bar stools. Are you enjoying those, Laurie?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Cheers, darling.
Better to sit and enjoy it.